today we are going to look at how to make an LED blink using the Millis function, instead of delay. If you have not watched our video on one LED blinking with a delay, we recommend you start there. The delay function is easy to use and only takes one line of code, but it pauses or blocks the loop from running until the delay has run down. If we want our program to do multiple things at the same time, delay gets in the way of this. This is where we can use Millis. The Millis function returns the number of milliseconds that have passed since the Arduino was turned on. To see the Millis function in action, we can write a simple sketch showing Millis running in the serial monitor of the IDE software. Here is a sketch I prepared earlier, which will display Millis in the serial monitor once uploaded. First, we have the variable to store the current Millis, which needs to be unsigned long as the number can get very long. In the setup, we need to turn on the serial port on the Arduino. Moving to the loop. First, we need to grab the current Millis. Second, we need to use serial print to tell the Arduino what to send to the serial monitor. With the sketch uploaded, click on the magnifying glass at the top right of the IDE window to open the serial monitor. We can see the number is increasing, and if you left it to run it would get up to 4,294,967,295 milliseconds, or roughly 49 days, at which time it will roll over and start from zero again. Now we can look at how to use the Millis function to trigger events. So if we want something to happen every 1000 milliseconds, we need to use an if statement, with a condition that checks to see if the desired time has passed. To do this we first need to define two more variables. Previous Millis, which will track the last time the event was triggered. And print delay, this is how much time we want to wait between triggering the event. Now we need to put the serial print lines inside an if statement, so that it is only sent to the serial monitor every 1000 milliseconds. First, we need to type if, open bracket, current Millis, minus, previous Millis, greater than, or equal to, print delay, close bracket, open curly bracket. Now, type below the serial print lines, previous Millis, equals, Millis, open bracket, close bracket, semicolon. This will grab the last time the if statement was run. Now we can close the if statement with a close curly bracket. Now we can upload the new code to the Arduino. Looking at the serial monitor, we can see that the number is going up every 1000 milliseconds, like we wanted it to do. With the event being triggered every 1000 milliseconds, we can now look at using it to make an LED blink. First, we need to define the LED pin and a variable to record the LED state. Type int LED pin equals 7 semicolon. Now type int LED state equals 0 semicolon. Next, we need to set the pin mode. Next, we need to change the LED state. To do this, type LED state equals exclamation mark LED state. The exclamation mark in front of LED state means not. This will reverse the value of LED state. So if the LED state is low, it will be changed to high and vice versa. And finally, we need a digital write line to set LED pin to the value of LED state. With the code finished, it's time to upload it to the Arduino. The code should only take a few seconds to upload. We can now see the LED is turning on and off as the milliseconds change in the serial monitor. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, maybe hit the like button, and consider subscribing to see more.